Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are my battery is dying already? Yeah. Today we are doing a demo using the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Subversive, Large, and Mini. Brenda, thank you again for suggesting that I do demos using the sister palettes, right? The large with the minis, creating looks with both. And I wanted to start with Subversive because I didn't use the mini a lot in my Mothership palette extravaganza. I'll link that video up above and down below. I try to use as many Mothership palettes as I could at one time. Each eye had a different look, different combination of shadows. I'm excited to try these today because I'm looking forward to see how the lavender shade blends with the brown shade from the large Subversive palette, so we'll give it a go. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you again. Keep you updated on what I'm doing. And without further ado, if you want to see a look created by Mothership Subversive, big and small, then keep on watching. Complexion is already done. I will list all products that I use down below. I don't have a plan yet. I definitely know that I will need to go in with some loose powder just to protect against any fallout. Because the Night Creature shade from the big Subversive palette I found from using it before does have a lot of fallout because I punch in that color a lot. So I just want to make sure we got the reinforcements in place. Okay. I do know, I believe, that I would like to go in first with Paranormal, the smoky purple shade from the mini Subversive. Then I would like to define the crease using this shade from the big Subversive. Going in with my number 16. Ooh, maybe I'm gonna wipe this off. In with that Paranormal shade. Now with my Wayne number 4 in deep shade, just to the outer corner, blending it with Paranormal. I'm deepening this a lot. I want to build this intensity up, but I like the intensity it's providing on top of the purple shade. I have my 16 on standby to blend out the edges. I wonder what I'm gonna do on my lids. I'm like going back and forth between the vibrant purple shade in the mini or like the magenta-y purple shade from the large. I don't know. Just goes to show the possibilities are endless. This can go in many ways because we got this beautiful green gold shade. We got Night Creature, which is like that purpley magenta shade. And then we have the magenta and the purple. I don't know. I feel because I already did a look using the purple on the lid, then maybe I should do I'm gonna take this shade here with my number 4. I'm just gonna see. I'm gonna buff this in onto my inner third. I don't know why I'm doing this. I just kind of want to see what that does. Well, that's bringing something into the mix. It's actually quite pretty as a blending shade, as a crease shade. Okay. I think now though I want to use Gigabyte. I want to use Gigabyte on the lid, and then I want to go Purple Mayhem Crazy on my lower lash line. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, I think I need to use my finger. This shade just always blows my mind. If you wanted to be neater about this, I would have carved out the lid with concealer first and then placed this shade on top. But, I mean, a part of these shadows, their sparkle factor and glitz, I feel is not meant to be neat. Thus why I don't mind applying with my finger and just letting it go a little wild on my lid. So there you go. I kind of want something happening here between Gigabyte and Deep Shade. I feel there's something, we can do a little something there. Maybe I'll use, let me see. What happens if I apply this shade? I don't know. Let me see. Taking my shader number 7. Oh, well, that's like a pretty transition. I like that. I like how it's blending in with Gigabyte. It's like turning into I don't even know this. We're creating a new color, friends. Pretty. I'm gonna leave the powder on because I know as soon as I get into Nightshade, it's gonna get crazy. I just know. Pencil brush number 5 in with Night Creature. Did I say Nightshade? Oh my god, so nuts. You know, I'm gonna use my pinky and I want this to really build. Like, I kind of want it a little messy. Yep. I don't have any nails. It makes it very easy to do. Oh yeah. Looking forward because I don't want to necessarily put it on my under eye area, but I'm making this like really like going crazy with the Night Creature shade. And I'm pulling it out a little bit so it can match up with the point I made on my lid. Okay, I wanted that as a base because I think I want to deepen it with the purple shade from the mini. That I'll take my pencil brush in. Here's the thing though, I feel I need to deepen my outer corner a little more, and I'll take my, taking my number 4 again with Deep Shade from the big palette, and I'm wanting to pull this out a bit more. There we go. To intensify the lower lash line, I'm going in with Makeup Forever's Aqua XL eye pencil in the shade I-90. I'm just filling in the gaps here on the outer corner with the purple shade from La Vie en Rose. I'm carefully just cleaning up this point. I think I want to do a wing, so let's get started on that. Also, it's harder to do because my lashes still have some mascara and they're kind of in the way, so it's hard to maneuver around them. I'm drawing the wing. Okay, wings are done. Let's apply some more mascara. Oh, wait, no. I want to apply this shade to my inner corner. Pretty. Skin Show New to my brow bone. Just some final fluffing around with my, this is a Morphe brush from their copper set, but it's very light, and I'm just cleaning up the edges here on the blending. I messed up. I always do that. Always need to sabotage my own work. Always. I'm gonna carefully kick off bake and doing it up like this so the particles that fell don't stick to the face. Let me wait until that dries. Now we could go in on the lower lashes. Okay. Alright friends, what do we think? That's the finished look. I try to incorporate like not all purples and pinks because although they overwhelm the Lave and Rose as they should, because that is the theme, I really wanted to get into those. I mean, this color just slays me each and every time, and the way that it's green gold and it has like that, I can't even explain it, like brassy type of character to it. And of course, I'm more than happy to do this again, but using the blues to see how those blend with the pinks and purples from the smaller palette. But I would definitely wear this out. I mean, again, I'm in the industry that this is not as it's bold, but it's like not too bold like if you work in an office. I knew that I wanted to put Night Creature on my lower lash line, blow it down a little bit, and the purple from this little guy, I felt at a really nice smoky touch to the outer portion of my lash line without having to use black, but it gave it that, again, smokiness, still looking very purple because I didn't want to change the profile of my lash line. I wanted to stay purple magenta, and the liner definitely helped with that task. You don't have to add wing liner, but I find with bold looks, it just kind of helps it pull it together, especially with this very bold lower lash line. It just gave it a little more, it evened it out, it balanced it out a little bit. Stay tuned for the next two that I will film using Sublime and Subliminal. Those will be fun. And of course, any suggestions that you might have concerning Pat McGrath or any eyeshadow palettes, please let me know down below. Thank you friends so much for watching. I hope this video helped. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And until then, I'll see you on here again with another review, chit chat, demo. Get ready with me. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.